In this video, I'm going to show you my personal thoughts and opinions on BZFD, Buzzfeed. Okay, you might be surprised, and let's get right into it. So, disclaimer: nothing on the channel constitutes professional and or financial advice. Everything is my personal thought and opinion. So, having that said, we can see that Buzzfeed previously I have actually made a video on it. Okay, I have discussed how this thing is in a pretty beautiful, impulsive move as of right now. This past week, only the past week was up 300% or so. So, having said that, looking at the bottom right corner into right here, you can see even the past year is pretty bullish. Okay, that actually factors in the percentages. Like let's say the 400% that we went in the past week too. So that's the case. Only in the past 3 days we can argue that we have gone up around 374%. So there you go. Now that said, let's check out my predictions and what I'm expecting the price to do. Which is exactly this right here. I'm expecting it to continue to take out the highs. Let me know your thoughts on it. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.